Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you need an extra hand in the kitchen, this can opener from Kitchen Mama is the little helper that you need. There's no confusing directions. All you do is lay the Kitchen Mama on top of your can and push the only button that it has. It'll take about 40 seconds, and once it gets to the end, you just push it again and it reverses itself and you can lift the lid right off. The lid still fits inside of the can, so you're able to drain any of the liquid contents that you need to. It runs on 4 AA batteries, so even if the power goes out, you'll still be able to open your cans. The low profile allows it to fit very easily in any drawer, and it's just one less appliance you need to have on your countertop. So whether you have arthritic joints or just too much to do in the kitchen already, this Kitchen Mama is the greatest little helper. And that's my point of view.